We'll see. These things are so legit. Are these just like the fastest jet skis you can buy? Pretty much. Does not surprise me. Oh man. Huh? Okay. I mean, so they're still gonna be very fast. What's 300 mean? Is that like 300? It's on the right here. 300 cc or something. So do you stand up so that you can like? Okay. I think standing up is the way to go, because then you can like go with it and you can be. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah. So should we try launch control? Huh? Shall we try launch control? What? I did one. You did? Oh, I couldn't tell. Not really. You probably felt it more than I saw. I felt it a lot when I first started going, because I went and then I let off and then I went again, and that's when it went up real far. Wait, what? No. No, it doesn't float. Nope, sure doesn't. backed into me. Nope, that was horrible. Oh, when you turn. I have the footage. I have the footage.
You were in my blind spot.